Hello guys, what if you can earn up to $10 every single time when you search on Google? For example, if you search on Google for how to make money online and read an article, you will get up to $10. Yes, today this is possible and this method is absolutely free. You don't need any skill, you don't need any money. Just what you need is a mobile phone or computer and an internet connection. That's just what you need. Today, you can make money and you can withdraw your money through your bank account. Is that interesting? Then, watch the very video until the end. But before we get started, welcome to my channel. Here we demonstrate the most straightforward approach to earning money online. Like this video and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell turned on, so you will always be notified when I upload a new money making method. Thank you. Let's get started. First of all, I want to show you some examples. As you can see, over 30,000 people providing this service on Fiverr and getting lots of money. $10, $35, $60, $125. We will provide this service for only $10 to get more jobs. The funniest thing is that all of these people do this job by spending lots of time and using their skills. But you don't need any skill. I don't have to spend more than 10 minutes to complete the job, because we will use a complete free boost. We can earn $10 in just 10 minutes. This big title is I will be your SEO website content writer. This is basically a content writing service, and if you come over here, as you can see, this person charging $10 for 100 words, $65 for 500 words, $165 for 1,500 words. So this is very easy job. If you watch the full video, you can complete 1,500 words in less than 10 minutes using a free bot without any skills and without any English knowledge. So to get a content writing job, we need to create an account on Fiverr and then need to create a gig like this. If you don't have a Fiverr account yet, just click on the link. I will put the link in the first comment for your easy access, and then you can create a fake account using Gmail by clicking here. This is very simple. When you will complete your account, just go to your profile and here you will find this option. Create a new gig by clicking here, and you can create a new gig like this. If you don't know what you will write in the title and description, you can open some gigs and see what you need to write. But don't copy and paste. Just get some ideas. Or if you need a separate video about how to create a gig on Fiverr, please let me know in the comment when you will complete all the steps and publish your gig. Your gig looks like all these gigs, and if anyone searches on Fiverr for content writing, your gig will show in the search results and you will get your job. Also, if anyone posts a job about content writing on Fiverr, you can apply from here. The next step is to know how we can complete the job if we get a job. Yes, this is very simple. For example, if your client tells you to write content about making money online, so what you need to do is just to go to Google and search for how to make money online, and here you will find lots of articles about making money online. Just open anyone and read the full article and start copying that article. You don't have to copy the whole thing, just copy the important parts. This is a very crucial step, because in order to make money, you need to have some original article, and I will show you on how to do that. So for this step, carefully choose the important parts of the article and copy them. After doing that, we will now proceed with the next step, and I want you to focus on this one because this is very essential so that you can earn $10 for 100 words. I urge you to not skip any parts. I want you to go to Google and search for quillbot.com. You need to click on that and you will come over to this page. So you might ask what Quillbot is. Well, basically Quillbot is a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite human readable text into additional intelligent readable text. Quillbot is the best article rewriting online tools which meets all of our requirements and saves a lot of time. This free article spinner is designed to write sentences accurately. So when you paste your copied article here, Quillbot will actually rewrite the old article so that it will become new. Now what you need to do is to paste the copied article into the box. Quillbot will actually show you how many characters you have copied and how many characters have left. In order to proceed with the writing process, just click on this button. As you can see, Quillbot is rewriting our copied article into a new one, which is unique and original. You can now submit this article to your clients, but therefore that will need to do some work. Just copy the rewriting part and go to Google Docs and paste it here, and then install an extension called Grammarly, because Grammarly solves all the grammatical mistakes like this. And if you want to count how many words you have written, you can use wordcounter.net. Simply just paste your article and you will know how many words you have, and then you can charge from your clients. So that is it for this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box, and if you find this video interesting, please smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon.